Today I am reviewing the Redragon GM32 curved gaming monitor. If at any time you'd like to explore this gaming monitor for yourself, be sure to check the link in the description. If you're looking to upgrade your gaming setup without breaking the bank, the Redragon GM32 curved gaming monitor is an impressive option that delivers high-end features at a competitive price point. Whether you're into fast-paced FPS games, immersive open-world adventures, or simply want a visually stunning screen for work and play, this monitor brings a serious punch in performance and design. Let's start with what sets this monitor apart right out of the box, the screen. You get a spacious 32-inch display with a QHD resolution of 2560 by 1440 pixels. That's significantly sharper than standard 1080p and offers the sweet spot between visual clarity and performance. Combine that with a 1000R curvature, and you're looking at a screen that literally wraps around your field of vision. This curvature pulls you into the game, enhancing depth and realism. Perfect for long gaming sessions or immersive storytelling games. But a good gaming monitor isn't just about size and resolution. It's about speed and fluidity, and the GM32 delivers on both. With a blazing fast refresh rate of 180 Hz, animations and transitions are buttery smooth, reducing screen tearing and giving you that competitive edge in fast-paced shooters like Call of Duty, Apex Legends, or Valorant. The response time clocks in at just 1.76 milliseconds, which is excellent for a VA panel. This means minimal motion blur and ghosting, even during the most chaotic in-game sequences. So whether you're snapping quick scopes or pulling off high-speed drifts, your visuals stay sharp and responsive. Now let's talk about syncing. The GM32 supports both FreeSync and G-Sync, which means it's compatible with both AMD and NVIDIA graphics cards. That's a big deal if you're chasing a smooth, tear-free experience, especially in games where timing is everything. With dynamic refresh rate syncing, you'll enjoy seamless gameplay with no stutters, no tears, just fluid action. On the color front, this monitor doesn't disappoint either. With 85% coverage of the color gamut and a 3500:1 contrast ratio, colors are rich, blacks are deep, and whites are crisp. Whether you're gaming, editing photos, or streaming content, everything looks vivid and accurate. The matte screen surface also helps minimize glare, making it easier on your eyes during long sessions. In terms of design, the GM32 is all about functionality. The stand is tilt-adjustable, allowing you to find a comfortable viewing angle, and it's VESA mount compatible for those who prefer a clean wall or arm-mounted setup. The monitor also includes multiple input options. You get two HDMI 2.0 ports, two DisplayPort 1.4 ports, and even a USB port for added flexibility. Whether you're connecting a gaming console, PC, or streaming device, the GM32 has you covered. Overall, the Redragon GM32 is a fantastic option for gamers who want high performance, immersive visuals, and robust features, all at a price that makes sense. You get a large curved QHD display, ultra-smooth 180 Hz refresh rate, excellent response time, and adaptive sync support for a next-level gaming experience. If you're serious about your games, content, or multitasking, the Redragon GM32 is more than just a monitor. It's your new battlefield, your canvas, and your entertainment hub.